Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are going to talk about something super cool that helps you get the most out of AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or even the AI on your phone. It is called prompt engineering. We are going to learn what prompt engineering is, why it's a big deal, how the AI actually understands your requests. So let's get started. So today's topic is all about mastering prompt engineering. Think of it as learning the secret language to talk to AI. First, what is generative AI? In my previous video about artificial intelligence basics, I have covered generative AI and its basics. These are smart computer programs that can create new things or content. They don't just look up answers, they make them. It can write stories, draw pictures, even write computer code or make music. It learns from tons of information and then use that knowledge to create something original. It's like having a super creative friend who can make anything you ask for. Now, how do you tell these AI models what to do? We use something called a prompt. A prompt is simply the message or instructions you give to the AI. It's your way of telling it what you want. It can be a simple question, a statement, a few words, or even a detailed explanation. For example, write a short poem about trees is a prompt. So if a prompt is what you say, then prompt engineering is how you say it. It is a skill of making your prompts really good. The goal is to get the AI to give you the best answer or creations possible. It's like being a good teacher. You give clear instructions so your students knows exactly what to do. Why is this important? Because good prompts make a huge difference. They help the AI give you accurate and clear results. They let you get exactly what you want, whether it's a story, a picture, or some code. It can even help the AI be fairer and less biased. It can save your time because AI gets it right the first time, and it can be used for really smart and complex tasks. Let's peek behind the curtains a little bit. How does the AI actually understand your prompt? When you type your prompt, the AI breaks it down into tiny pieces. It then figures out what each piece means and how they connect. Then it starts guessing the next best word or part of a picture, one piece at a time, until it finishes its creation. Prompt engineering is like giving the AI a very clear map at the beginning so it knows exactly where to go when it guesses. Okay, let's see some examples of how different prompts work. First, asking for basic information. Zero shot prompting. We call this zero shot because you don't give the AI any examples. For example, what is the capital of France? It is clear and direct. The AI already knows this from its training. So it just tells you the capital of France is Paris. Next prompting is instruction based prompting. It tells AI how to be creative. This is instruction based. For example, you ask AI model to write a poem about a blooming cherry tree in the style of an old poet. So here we are giving it instructions on how to write, not just write a poem, but in the style of a poet. So this makes AI's answers sound more thoughtful and interesting. Then comes constraint-based prompting. This one is super useful for your school or work. Summarizing with rules, we are adding constraints or limits. Summarize the following, for example, summarize the following paragraph for a 10-year-old child, keeping it to a maximum of 2 sentences. We told the AI who it's for. It's for a 10-year-old kid. And how long it should be? It should be max 2 sentences long. The AI then makes it simple and short. So that's what constraint-based prompting is. Fourth type of prompting is few shot prompting. If you want AI to do something very specific like write code, showing it some examples helps a lot. So this is few shot prompting. In this, if you give it an example of writing a Fibonacci series in Python and then ask it to write a code for to reverse a string, so it will definitely write that code in Python. Last type of prompting is chain of thought prompting. For really tricky problems, we can ask AI to think step by step. This is chain of thought prompting. So instead of just giving an answer, AI breaks it down and into multiple steps, and one steps take the response from previous step to move ahead. This helps us see its logic and makes the answer more trustworthy. So to wrap it up, here is your simple checklist for great prompting engineering. Be clear and specific. Give context. Set rules. Tell it how long and what style it should be. Show examples, especially for tricky tasks. Ask for steps. If it's a problem, ask it to explain its thinking. And most importantly, keep trying. It's like learning a new skill. You get better with practice. So that's our quick tour of prompt engineering. I hope you feel more confident about talking to AI now. What do you think? Do you have any questions or ideas for how you will use this? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more easy to understand AI tips, and ring that bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching, and